Okay, that just came up randomly.
Okay.
Hey guys! You forgot to introduce us.
Hey guys! This is Zuri and Elijah, my cousins. Today we're doing
a slime challenge. We're using masks with blindfold because we don't have any. Yeah. Speaking of masks, wear a mask to protect yourself from COVID-19 or else in a while you'll get
sick and die 26. That's all I know.
That's all I know.
Oh man!
You're not killed by germs.
Killed by germs.
Okay. She's going to be blindfolded, and I'm going to give her the slimes. Let's get the slimes.
Meanwhile,
We do a joke. Joke.
2,000 years later.
Okay, I got one. Knock knock. Who's there? Cuckoo. Cuckoo who? Is 1 o'clock already? No?
Not this slime.
I think
It
it's
is.
plain. Is it? Butter. Is it? 2 in a row.
Here you go.
Oh, crunchy. It's crunchy. Ah, no slime.
Yes! No slime.
Are you kidding?
This cereal slime.
That's like sour milk. The Play-Doh people, they're maniacs.
You're maniacs.
Sorry, we have 3 annoying dogs downstairs. You make me feel like I'm slapping someone's skin.
Slapping someone's skin.
Who are you? Country slime.
Crunchy slime!
I knew it!
Yeah, boy.
So that was the end of this challenge. She won. She gets the 2 bracelets.
Like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching. Bye!
We're gonna need some bloopers for this. What's a blooper?
So we're gonna let Elijah, his turn. We're going to let Elijah get his turn.
I don't listen. Hey, you! Can I put my phone on a fillet? He's crazy. Don't try this at home.